everyone. On the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Papri welcome you all in today's video. Today I'm going to talk about on an interesting activity that is compiled by the most successful and innovative platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. So today's idea is developed by the innovative educators of UP Board for subject English, class 4, chapter number 3. Chapter name is Magic Words, and the idea that we are going to implement today is known as theme-based attendance. So basically the innovation of this idea is to use attendance as a medium of learning in the classroom scenario to make attendance interesting, productive and useful at the same time. The time period for this idea is about 20 minutes and the theme of the attendance is vocabulary and adjective. Now the educator initiate the discussion in the class by informing students that today they will be giving attendance in a different and interesting manner. Ask students to maintain discipline while performing the activity in the class. Now, the educator gives some following sets of instruction to the students, like listen to your roll call and answer a word that represents the adjective instead of saying present. Now, the conduction of the activity is as follows. The students are called according to their roll number, for example, roll number 1, roll number 2 and so on. Each student will stand up on his or her seat and say the word that represents the adjective. For example, roll number 1 Priya says the word good. Roll number 2 Riya says the adjective word that is bad. Similarly, this activity continues until all the students get a chance to reply. Conclude by informing students that they had just revised the concept of vocabulary and adjective in a playful manner. Now let's talk about some learning outcome that can be achieved in this idea. Respond to the simple instructions or announcement given in the class. Respond verbally in English according to the question. Infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in context. Use the noun, adjective and preposition in a speech or writing. Now there are some points that is need to remember while performing it in the class, that is, this story is suggested to be taught as per the syllabus guidelines. Inclusion of the learning outcome of English facilitate an integrated approach to the learning while students answer the various questions and follow the given sets of instruction asked by the educator. This activity will continue until the last roll number. Student must pay attention to the words responded by the other students. This activity ensures the active participation of student inside the classroom, which is an key aspect of peer learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. Now we can also impart some life skills and values while teaching the lesson, and the life skill that can be include are decision making and critical thinking while students think and answer about the word from the particular lesson. Now, there are also some benefits of using this innovative idea for the children with special needs, CWSN, and these are choosing word from the chapter and replying to their roll number would enhance the memory of the children with learning disabilities, and they will also understand the meaning of the word. Next is, it will be also increase the patience level of the children with ADHD and autism as they will have to wait for their turn. Next is, it will also improve the understanding and response time of the children with learning disabilities. So that's all for today. Hope you like the video, and if you do like it, don't forget to click the bell icon and get all the future notifications. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and give a big thumbs up to this video. And if you are on Facebook, you can like our Facebook page, Sri Aurobindo Society, ZIIEI, And you can also download our innovative Pathshala app from the Play Store. Thank you.